Hi friends, this is Sarat Agrawal from Infocost Solution Private Limited. Today I am going to discuss with you on the important topic of COPA and its features and its reports, how it works. Especially in S4 HANA, we have a feature of account-based COPA. So in account-based COPA, what are the features available, how we can see the reports, what are the difficulties we faced. So all these things we are going to discuss in detail. So let's come and do the brainstorming and discussion on this COPA. We have these features of account-based COPA. So first of all, we need to understand what is this COPA all about. COPA is basically a controlling module wherein we can say profitability report, the profitability analysis, wherein we get all the kind of detail, for example, product wise, customer wise, district wise, zone wise details we can get from the COPA. So this is the contribution margin report we can get at any required dimension levels in the COPA. So this is what the COPA is. Now let's understand what value the COPA can add for a company. So for example, we are working in a large manufacturing company, maybe let's say take an example of automobile company, where there are a lot of variants are there, a lot of segments are there, a lot of different type of vehicle types are there. So we need to understand what is my contribution at a plant level, at a division level, at a product level, at maybe a variant level, maybe at a state level, or maybe at a country by country, what kind of contribution I am earning. So that helps in taking a decision to focus on high GP products, high GP customers, high GP plants, or the area where we can focus for our marketing decisions. So this is all achieved and helpful for our purpose of taking marketing decision, and COPA is the only way we can deal and get all this information from the system. So let's go to the next. So these are some of our customers where we have developed and implemented the COPA, like Brakes India, TVS Tires, Havels, Phenolax, Kellogg's, VKL, Pharmaceutical, JB Pharmaceutical, Neogen Chemical. So if you see, we have a array of different industries, and we have a very vast experience. And these are some of our clients, few clients, and we have experience of implementing COPA and costing in more than 100 plus clients. So friends, we have a vast experience and good team for doing that, and we do with end-to-end study, end-to-end work, and we ensure the delivery is there with the final users. Now first understand what is the sales revenue, how it matches with FI and COPA. So normally when we post any sales revenue, the entry is basically the customer account debit to revenue account. So similarly in COPA, that is in account based COPA, the sales GL get directly posted into the COPA. That is, let's say in my example which I have shown, it is 1,50,000 entry getting posted in my account based COPA for sales revenue account. Now come to the costing entry, that is cost of goods sold. So when I say cost of goods sold, you can see in the screen the cost of goods sold is coming for a particular, let's say I have just clicked on a particular line where you can see this kind of entry is coming in this. All the characteristics are updated here, and these entries are available at a document by document where you can see the customer number, product, billing number, etc., everything. So in account-based COPA, we have the feature of breakup of cost of goods sold. So when I say breakup of cost of goods sold, the breakup will come. The first entry would be normal entry, that is my stock account credit and COGS account debit. So based on that, the COGS account get all the breakups. So if you see the entry in the screen, this is the first entry which we can see, and the second accounting entry is like this, wherein the COGS account is credited and the cost component wise GLs what we can create in our system will be debited. Say for example, different types of raw materials and different types of cost of goods sold, conversion cost GLs get debited, and that will be basically comprised my total COGS in all the breakup which I can get in the account based COPA for any kind of reporting in the system. So you can see in the screen that. Now coming to the variance bifurcation. In the variance calculation, when we do the variance calculation at the month end by settlement of the production order, we can get the variance calculation also by, let's say you can see the screen wherein I have given the quantity variance, production variance, price variance, all these different types of variants are there, which we can easily get and take required decisions to improve the productivity and the margin for that. Now the next part is basically how do I allocate my marketing cost, selling and distribution cost, other direct cost to COPA. So there is an option available wherein we can create the allocation cycle, and those allocation cycle can directly take the cost from my cost center and GL and give it to the respective segments. For example, the segments of my sales organization, division, distribution channel, product, customer, product, all these level system can take automatically based on the billing document and allocate that at that level. So you can see in the screen the allocation cycles are there, and system automatically taken the receiver of 8800 based on the selection what I have given in the cycle. So this is the data system post based on the cycle what we have given to the system. And once everything is done, so what are the things we have done, friends? First we have taken the sales, then COGS, then we have taken the variance, and then we have also allocated the direct and indirect selling and distribution expenses. So now we have covered all different kinds of expenses which are required for my COPA and my accounts profitability. Now this is a time to get the reports. This is most important part. Okay, so when we say what the report, the beauty of the COPA is we don't have to depend on any of the ABAP report. So the entire reporting is through report painter and report writer, wherein we can create all the report based on our own formats and own selection parameters. Everything is basically a kind of a, in a click of a button we can change it, and there is no ABAP module involved in any of the reports. That's the beauty of this report. So now if you can see this report, this is also developed through report painter report, wherein we have given the fiscal year period. Then you can see this is the basically the total contribution report, wherein I have get the sales quantity, sales, discount, net sales, COGS, gross contribution, plus the other direct expenditures which are not part of my COGS, but I want to consider that as a part of the net profit. So this is what the net profit I have taken. So this is basically report prepared by GL and by the cost elements in the COPA. So this is one report. Now let me go to the other report. If I want to basically transpose that report by plants or by country, I can easily do from the same report only. It is just a transpose of the original report. By here I can see by plant or by segments, I can see the same report in this manner. Next, let us go to the new contribution report. So if I want to see my total sales line item in a different detailed manner, I can see that. Okay, then this is the breakup of my total that summary report in terms of different head of COGS, where we can see all these things. Then this is the total PBT level report we can get from COPA, the entire breakup of expenditure, for example traveling expenses, interest, other income, etc. Everything we can get in the COPA report, and we can reach up to PBT level report. Now if we have to drill down our reports by, let's say, customer group, okay, or by, let's say, cities, or by, let's say, my depot, each and every drill down is possible here. So this is another type of report wherein we can see the EBITDA level report from the COPA. So this is profitability at EBITDA level by different our category of customers. This is one of the example for brand wise profitability, where these are my brands at my columns, and this is my format, and this is where I am getting the total profitability. This is my channel wise profitability, for example GT, MT, Ecom, SD, B2B, everything we have in the same format. And the beauty is that these are all matched with my financial trial balance. So this is where the crux is. Entire profitability report in COPA is matching with my financial trial balance. So there is no point of any doubt with my finance team. And this is how we match the concept of COPA and FI reconciliation also. You can see that. So it is how we can done the reconciliation, and we have generated the P&L also from the COPA. So this is what the complete picture we can deliver to our clients, and we have already delivered to many clients, and this is how we have done and added value for our clients. So friends, if you are really interested to know about how we can do, what are the difficulties, so we can come and help you to deliver these things at your doorstep and at your company. And we have done for many places, and it is seems to be difficult, but we can help you to achieve these things with lot of ease. So this is our promise, and this is how we have done. So thanks friends, and if you are really interested to know all these things in more detail, please visit our website or log into our accounts. Thanks.